Hello everyone, welcome back to Microsoft Student Chapter VIT-AP University's official YouTube channel, and here we are with a brand new video on abstraction in the series Oops in Java. So what do you mean by abstraction and why do we need abstraction? Abstraction is used for hiding the unnecessary part of the data, and it shows only the essential parts. So what is this data here? This data can be a class or a method. And for the sake of example, let's consider a method. So here we have let's consider a normal method like void add. Okay, void add int a int b. So this basically adds this integers a and b. When a and b are passed as parameters, this will compute the addition operation. So let's consider int sum equal to a plus b. Okay, and here we'll write system dot out dot println sum. So this what we wrote here, this thing, this is our normal method. Now I'm going to write an abstract method. Abstract void add, right? Add int a int b. So this one becomes our abstract method. Wait, I'll change the color. So this becomes our abstract method, and this out here, this becomes our normal method that we have been writing so far. Normal method. Okay, so like what all changes did you notice in this? We have a method, name is add. The name is same here, add. The return type, here I have given void, here also I gave void. Fine, that is also same. But the difference here is, here we have a new keyword called abstract. So this keyword helps in this abstraction of data or abstraction of methods or abstraction of classes. So abstract keyword is used for uh, making a class or method abstract. And if you notice, here we have an open curly braces, closed curly braces, and we have the method implementation written out here. But in this abstract class, we don't have that. In this abstract class, we close the method with a semicolon. We didn't write the body, we didn't write the implementation here. So that's the difference between a normal class and abstract class. So, like in this, how is data being hidden in this? That could be a question. So the answer will be, in a method, what is the most important thing in a method? That is its implementation. Because until unless you give the implementation, the compiler doesn't know what to do with that method. So in this, we didn't write that most important thing, that implementation we didn't write in this abstract method. So thereby we are hiding the implementation of the method here, and that is called abstraction. So now we'll see a sample code here. Yeah, we have a sample code here. So in this, I have yeah, in this I have an abstract class ABS having two methods, add and subtract. And if you notice, inside this abstract class, I wrote two methods. One is a normal method This one is a normal method and this one is an abstract method. So in an abstract class, you can have both abstract as well as non-abstract methods. Okay. And we didn't write the implementation here because this is abstract. This is an abstract method. So like if we want to use this function, if we want to use this method, we should write the implementation somewhere in the code and it should be connected also. So for that, we have taken a demo class which is extending this ABS. So this demo class becomes the child class now. And inside this child class, we wrote this method as such, like dot to dot same we wrote. Otherwise, it will raise an error. In this, I have written void subtract int a comma int b. Here also the same. And here we have a public class named test having a main method, and inside that we have created an object for this demo class and not for abstract class, because abstract class cannot be instantiated. If you give here abs a equal to new abs, it will raise an error, and I will show in like while compilation I will show that also. And here we have created an object d for this demo class, and we have given d dot add and d dot subtract. Now what happens here? Here we don't have the add function, add method, but because we have this extends keyword here, extends abs, the compiler will jump from here. It will come here and it will jump to this abstract class, this add method inside the abstract class, and it will implement that. And when it comes to d dot subtract, if you see inside this demo class we have the subtract method, so it will execute this here. So that is basically the part of abstraction. So now let's see a sample code. So this is the code that I showed in the PPT just now. So if we run this, you'll get the answer 15 and 5. So 15 is for this add method and 5 is for this subtract method. Now let me change this thing. Let me change this demo to ABS. ABSD equal to new ABS. In this case, if you run this, you'll get an error. See, ABS is abstract and cannot be instantiated. So abstract classes cannot be instantiated means we cannot create an object for abstract class. Now what if we write like this? ABSD equal to new demo. In this case, what will be the output? Let's see. In this case, we'll again get 15 and 5. So that's all from my side. So I think everyone is now clear with the concept of abstraction. And we'll soon come up with the next video on packages and interfaces. So stay tuned. Thank you.